Mo Lester says, well done this year, guys. My cute favourite character is... Oh, hang on a second.
I'm not sure. Someone who's called Mo Lester, we should trust.
MitchiriNeko.
March.
That sounds fine. Let's do it. Get ready on the...
Sam, get ready to dump out.
Get ready to...
Oh, no,
it's
okay,
this
it's okay.
thing.
It's okay. Don't worry, it's fine.
It's this thing, remember, where they have the...
Yeah.
This was one of the cutest things of all time.
No, I'm still... there's nothing. I don't know. Again, I am fully flattered right now. That's doing nothing for me.
It doesn't do anything for you.
No, what was it?
It's incredibly...
Look how depressed they look. They all look sad. All of them look like they don't want to be there.
They're very tired, aren't they? Do you reckon they're all drugged?
Yeah. The last one with the accordion looks like he's having a good time. But everyone else looks like, yeah, you know what? Just fucking... I hope a fucking Prius comes through and just mows us down. It's catchy, though.
It's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fuchsia alone, thank you. I've been not able to watch any Jingle Jam streams this year due to Australian internet. No. Due to watch it, but I'm watching mostly on YouTube instead. Thank you for making the VODs so readily available. My endless love to the Yogscast. You've kept me sane for 7 years. What a fantastic achievement this year, 5 mil. Congrats. Thank you, Fuchsia alone. CDI Spy says, enjoying Lewis and Ben saving the world in XCOM 2, Wrath of the Chosen, War of the Chosen?
War of the Chosen.
It's a good little game, that. Good little expansion. I'm enjoying it. You seem always so happy to be playing it. We are. A beautiful stolen moment. Oh my god, this...
Yeah, you can turn it off now.
What anime sounds like to... See, I want to... How does this have 6 million views?
It's not monetized. I know why it's got
Brilliant. That is actually very appropriate.
I like that. Okay, that was pretty cute.
World's fastest man. No, I'm getting lost into a world.
This is what happens. Close it down. Close the tap down. Close the tap down.
Oh god.
Okay.